Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges, and most importantly, the bright minds of our youth. Today, I stand before you to talk about something that closely relates to us, the immense potential resting in the reservoir of our youth. In a world that is changing at a pace unmatched by any other time in history, our youth are not just tomorrow's leader, but agents of change today. We are living in a world confronted by a number of challenges, such as climate changes, social inequalities, and technological disruptions. All creates extraordinary opportunities. Today's young generation, they are packed with creativity, passion, and a unique perspective that allows us to reform our world. They have the ability to innovate, inspire, and ignite movements that will change the course of history. But how do we unleash that potential? Let me tell you that first, we must provide a supportive environment that encourages exploration and expression. Schools, communities, and families all play their role in developing the young minds. Places where curiosity is hailed, questions are encouraged, and failure seen as one more step towards success. When youth feel safe to take risks, their imagination will shine and soar. We must invest in education beyond the convention. We need a curriculum that would equip our youth with critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and practical skills for the future job market. Let us introduce technology in such a way that it enriches learning, not just as a tool, but as means of empowerment. Let education not be confined to a particular model. It should welcome diversity and invite each child to find their unique path into the light. Most importantly, mentorship is in need. We need to hook up our young people to different mentors who will guide, inspire, and challenge them. Mentorships opens up opportunity, tames insight, builds confidence, and bridges generational gaps in such ways that foster collaborative culture when wisdom and innovation meet. And lastly, let's give them civic engagements. The youth have something to say, and it is high time we listen. Give them a voice in matters dear to them, and easily they become actors in the making of not only their communities, but also the world at large. Let us create spaces for discussion, call for participation in grassroots undertaking, and celebrate results that may emerge from such. In closing, I urge each of you, parents, educators, leaders, and community members, to join me in committing to unleash the bright potential of our youth. Together, we can create an environment where young people are not just spectators, but active architects of their futures. As Albert Einstein had said, the world as we have created, it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. Let's invest in their dream, support their passions, and believe in their capacity capacity to change the world. The future is not something we inherit. It is something we create together. Let's make it a future that shines brightly, fueled by boundless potential of our youth. I am Aurun Nisa Martautami from Al-Wafi Islamic Boarding School. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.